It's waffle time. Robert Wiseman III has up winner's choice, Star Wars or Volcano. Good luck, everyone. Sweet. Winner's choice 1 through 22. Redraws on the bookends. Let's go. 5:45 start. Check the proof. That should be it. Fresh random. 1 through 22. Secured and valid. Let's get a refresh and let's get a winner. Lucky winner is going to be 15. 15 winner. Congratulations. 15 going to take this one. At 5:46. 15, Ty Nelson. Congratulations, Ty. Great hit. Woohoo. Big win. Congrats, winner. Y'all have a great weekend. It is 5:47.